Paint 3D makes creating a 3D model as easy as a doodle. From the 3D menu, scroll down to the 3D Doodle tool. The Sharp Edge 3D tool is great for creating a cookie cutter shape. Connect the dots to make your doodle 3D. You can rotate your objects, adjust the depth, and put together your final model. Select the Soft Edge tool and draw another doodle in the workspace. The Soft Edge 3D tool makes puffier 3D objects. From just one tool, you've got what you need to make all kinds of stuff in 3D.